Here's a cute way to preserve hair in a pendant. We're going in with white colorburst UV resin to create a really nice opaque base to put the hair on so it stands out. Once you cure on both sides for 60 seconds, we're gonna put a little bit of UV resin hard type down on our silicone mat and trim the hair so that it's all the same length. Spread it out evenly, and then we're going to cure it so that it's nice and flat and we have the opportunity to trim it after. I always flip it over and cure the other side real quick, and then we're going to trim it into the shape of a heart. Trust the process, it looks better once it's in the pendant. We're going to lay down a little bit of Resin Rockers UV resin hard type to hold that heart in place, and I'm going in with some Endless Love heart shapes. This is just a holographic glitter that we're going to kind of decorate the top and around that heart and make it really, really cute. So I'm just putting down a little bit of UV resin and putting the hearts down on top of it, curing that to keep those in place so they don't float, and then I'm putting a nice big thick top coat on, setting it with my pocket lamp, and then curing 60 seconds at 36 watts, and this is the end result. These are so cute and people love them.